I'm going to be starting with a blueberry, vanilla, and demerara sugar syrup. And this is going to be the ingredient for our first cocktail. Why blueberries? Because blueberries are one of those flavors that I know most mothers like, most ladies like, most women like, just based on my experience in cocktails and flavors. And I actually think the demerara sugar is a different twist of white sugar because it's going to give it a lot more flavor, and I love that nice sugar flavor. And I actually have here some vanilla. You could choose to use any type of vanilla you like, and I'm actually just using some vanilla essence, and you could get fancy with the vanilla. So we have some water, and we're going to add 1 cup of water directly into our pot, and 1 cup of sugar. So this is the base of a regular simple syrup, and I'm going to dissolve this. And at this point, I'm going to add some vanilla. I would say 1/4 teaspoon. So I have here my bar spoon, so I'll use this. This is actually a little less than 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to use 2. And we stir that in. And I'm getting the sugars melting and that aroma coming up. I love it. And at this point, we're going to throw in some blueberries. And I'm leaving the blueberries whole. I'm going to save a little bit for a garnish. And we mix again. And simmer for at least 20 minutes. The star of the show today, guys, is actually our Cointreau. And Cointreau is the original triple sec that's found in cocktails like the classic margarita, the famous Cosmopolitan, and most of those delicious cocktails that we know today. Stay tuned to see what I make next with this beautiful blueberry syrup for our first mother on the show.